Hey guys, this is Jodas95 here, and this is my first video called Taste Test. Today we're going to look at the Lay's Cheesy Garlic Bread flavors. Now this is a new version that was just came out, like we saw on the store shelf, like, what is this? Now there is a lot of variant. One is the garlic cheesy bread, the other one is a mac and cheese chips. I'll get to that with my hands on it. So, this is the bag. It says the garlic cheese red. Top corner it says try the flavor all stars and enter for chance to win the daily prizes. And on the back there's the others, says shows the calories. Down below the other chips available. There's Cheddar's bacon mac and cheese, and there's kettle cooked chips. And that was pretty much it. Now, let's see it. I'm going to bring the plate. It's really excited. I can't wait for this one. So here is the garlic cheese chips. They look pretty similar to the other chips. Well, I'm gonna taste test. Let's see what it likes. Okay, here it goes. It does taste like garlic cheese, but it does look pretty similar to cheddar cheese chips. Yeah. That was good. Now let's say try taste test with Carlin. Okay, time to taste test with Carlin.
Alright, let me try one. They're not gonna burn me up or anything. Just smell it. That's a weird smell. Oh my gosh. It's like eating garlic bread.
Yes.
It tastes like garlic bread.
Yeah.
What's it supposed to taste like?
Cheesy garlic bread.
Really? That's exactly what it tastes like. These are delicious.
Yeah.
Yummy. Who needs garlic bread when you got garlic chips, right?
Also trying out Shane's.
What do you think? Try one, see what you think. What do you think?
No.
No? You don't like it? Shane says no. I say yes.
Wah, wah.
Shane says no. Maybe. What's Leo think? Leo says, uh-oh. Leo says no. He left part of the, no, maybe, no. No. Okay, Leo gives it a thumbs up. He's licking the couch.
So that's about it. About taste tests. Bottom line, Lay's cheesy garlic bread cheese chips. It's actually delicious. It's actually good. I mean, you love garlic bread or you're a fan of Lay's, I would say pick them up at the local store. So, give us a 10 out of 10 one. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this one. Be sure don't forget to like and click thumbs up and subscribe it. Leave a comment, like, comment, and subscribe and share it. So, thanks for watching. Bye.